Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to save Facebook Messenger messages as PDF. If you're using Facebook Messenger and now you want to save your messages on as a PDF, so let's see how can you do that. Now to do that, you have to simply open your Facebook app. In Facebook, just go to this menu option in the bottom right, and here you just have to select the profile for which you want to select or save the messages. So here I'm going to select the profile here, then go to menu option again. And now just scroll down and look for settings and privacy. Then tap on settings. And here you have to select account center. And then you have to select the option of your information and permissions. Just select that option. Then select export your information. And here just wait for this loading. And you just have to select create export. Then select Facebook. Select export to device. And here just select customize informations. So basically it will download all the informations from Facebook to your phone. So you just have to clear all of these and just select only messages. So right first we are going to deselect or clear all, and once you have cleared all, just scroll down and look for the messages option here. Here's the messages, just select that, then select save. Now just tap on this start export, and then you must have to enter your Facebook account password. So once you have to enter your Facebook account password, it will start a download or it will start exporting your informations. So I have already downloaded them. So go to your information and permissions, tap on create extra information, and here you will get your downloaded file. So it will take a time. It's almost can take 24 hours or minimum it can take up to 5 minutes, so you must have to wait for that. And once you have done your file, it will be ready. Here you just have to tap on this download option, then tap on download again, and here you must have to re-enter your Facebook account password. So once you have re-entered your Facebook account password, just tap on this continue option, and it will open in your browser. And here just tap on this download option and it will be saved to your download folder. Now just go back and open your files app, and here just tap on browse, then select on my iPhone, and here you just have to select downloads, and you will get this Facebook zip file. You must have to extract it first. Just tap on it and here it will be extracted. Just select that, and here just select your Facebook activity, select messages, and you'll get all the messages here. So in this way you can easily save all of your Facebook Messenger messages on your mobile as a PDF. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.